In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator in Vercel. Collaborating effectively is crucial when working on projects as a team, and Vercel makes it quite straightforward to invite others to join your efforts. Whether you are working with a small group or a large organization, Vercel has features to accommodate your collaboration needs. Let's dive right into the process of adding collaborators to your Vercel projects. To start, you'll need to be in your Vercel dashboard. Once there, look towards the upper left corner where you'll find the scope selector. This little tool is quite handy, allowing you to toggle between different teams you might be managing or a part of. Select the team you want to add collaborators to. It's essential to ensure you've picked the right team to avoid any future confusion or management issues. Now that you've set the correct scope, the next step is to navigate to the Settings section. Locate this option in the menu, and from there, you'll want to click on Members. This Members page is your main hub for managing team access. It gives you an overview of who's already part of your team and allows you to make changes effortlessly. On the Members page, you'll find an Invite button. Click on it, and a new prompt will appear, asking you to enter email addresses. This is where you'll type in the email addresses of those you wish to invite. As you do this, you'll notice an option to assign a team-level role to each invitee. Vercel provides several roles: owner, member, and developer. Assign roles based on the level of access and responsibility you want each person to have. It's possible to invite multiple people at once, so this can save you time if you're adding several collaborators. Once you've filled out the information, go ahead and click Invite. The invitees will receive an email invitation and have up to 72 hours to accept. It's good practice to inform your team members to check their inboxes so they don't miss out on joining. You can easily track the status of these invites on the members page, and if needed, resend any pending invites to ensure everyone gets on board. There's also an option to generate an invite link via the Invite Link feature. This can be particularly useful for larger groups. For pro users, anyone using this link will join as a member, while those on an enterprise plan will join as a viewer. You also have the flexibility to reset this link at any time. Keep in mind that doing so will invalidate any previous version of the link, which is useful for maintaining security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add collaborators to your Vercel projects, ensuring a smooth and efficient team workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.